Afternoon, traders. Here we go. We're doing one of our subscribers reached out and asked if I could do some technical analysis on Centennial Resources, CDEV. CDEV. And here you go. Here's my opinion on it. Let's blow up this grid right here. This is the 20-day, 30-minute candle histogram grid. So far it looks really nice. It's traded between the 93 cents and the 81-cent mark for the past 20 days. Here's that point of control. This is where the majority of trades actually happened right here in that last 20 days, and it's above that, which is bullish. I'd like to see a move above this 93 cents. In fact, I've set an alert to see that because there's not very many shares above that. So once it breaks this, I think it will continue higher from here. So let's just take a look on the daily. All right, let's blow this up. Here we go. So here back on the 3rd of August, it had gapped up on earnings, right? And so far it's held that gap, which is kind of, it's good, right? So usually it would kind of pop and then drop. It's holding. Let's hope that tomorrow it stays above that 84 cents. As long as this 5 stays above this 13 and doesn't start closing this gap, everyone who got long here would be right, and this should start moving higher. So where's the target? All right, so let's bring this out a little bit. We're obviously your first target's going to be this this high of the 220 mark. It's extremely possible. I mean, look, the stock was at $6 back in September of 19, and who knows, it could easily go back here. I mean, something happened here. I don't know the story behind it, but as far as technicals are concerned, it looks like it's based nicely. Let's make sure this 5 stays above the 13. It starts taking over this. Starts taking out this dollar range right here, and I think we're off to the races. Let's bring it out one more chart because we want to use more than one data set to make our opinions. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring out the weekly. Now this might be the week. This might be the week that the stock price breaks above the 9 SMA, and that would be my final data set to say, you know what, we've switched and we've changed trends here. So watch this very closely. Watch a move initially above that 94-cent mark, and then again above $1, and then I think we're sitting up extremely nicely, right? So your risk reward is again your downside of 76, 77 cents to an upside of maybe $2. So it's a really nice and tempting risk reward if you play these smaller penny stocks. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow.